With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Right, it should go into the forward direction if it is highly soluble, because it is going to dissociate more. Right, so if I talk about the first case, which is NABr, so here NABr dissociates to give Na plus and Br negative. So what happens here is that the concentration of Br negative increases due to the common ion effect. Now AgBr also gives Br negative, NABr also gives Br negative. So the concentration of Br negative is going to increase. So in order to counter the change, as per the Lee-Chatelier principle, the reaction is going to become backward, and in the backward direction, the solubility is going to decrease. Right. So in order to increase the solubility, in order to make AgBr with highest solubility, the reaction should go in the forward direction, right? Because more it will dissociate, more it will be soluble. But in the case of NABr, because of the common ion effect of the Br negative ions, what is going to happen? What is going to happen is that the reaction is going to get, due to the common ion effect, it is going to be in the backward direction to counter the change and maintain the equilibrium. Okay? Now, the next reaction, which is NH4OH. Now, this dissociates to give NH4 plus OH negative. Now, here the concentration of OH minus ions is there, right? NH4OH is dissociating to give OH minus ions. Now these OH minus ions, they combine with the Ag plus ions and lead to the formation of AgOH. So what is actually happening here? The OH minus ions that are given out from here are combining with Ag plus. It means that the concentration of OH negative ions is decreasing. Similarly, the concentration of Ag plus ions is also decreasing because it is going to form AgOH. So the concentration of the product here is increasing, but the concentration of reactants is decreasing because they are combining to form the product. So as the concentration of Ag plus is decreasing over here, as the concentration of Ag plus is decreasing in this reaction, so in order to counter the change according to the Lee-Chatelier principle, the reaction moves towards the forward direction, and forward direction means that the solubility is going to increase, right? Solubility is going to increase because in this case, the concentration of Ag plus ions is decreasing, right? As the concentration of Ag plus ions is decreasing, so to counter the change, we have to shift the equilibrium to a forward direction, right? Therefore, the solubility increases in this case, and the correct answer for this question is given in option number 2, right? But we'll see other options as well. The next is pure water. It means that H2O, which dissociates to give H plus OH negative. Now, the dissociation of NH4OH is much greater as compared to H2O because this is pure water and the dissociation is very less in comparison to NH4OH. Right? So, the amount of OH minus ions given out from NH4OH or the amount of NH4OH or the extent of dissociation is more in ammonium hydroxide. Therefore, in comparison to that, ammonium hydroxide will be most effective in increasing the solubility of AgBr, right? So, therefore, pure water cannot be the answer. The next is HBr, right? So when HBr dissociates, it gives H plus Br negative, right? So again, what is happening here? The concentration of Br minus ions is increasing as it is dissociating. Why it is increasing? Because we are getting Br negative from HBr and we already have Br negative in this reaction, right? So as the concentration of Br negative is increasing, so to counter the change according to the Lee-Chatelier principle, again the reaction is going to become backward, right? So the solubility is going to decrease in this case. Therefore, this also cannot be the answer. So the case in the option 1 and option 4 is almost similar, right? Because of the bromide ion. And case in option 2 and option 3 is also almost similar, but the extent of dissociation in ammonium hydroxide is more. Therefore, the solubility will be more in the option 2, and that's the correct answer for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.